Hi viewers, Assalamu alaikum. Hope you all fine. By the grace of Almighty Allah, I have brought for you the third episode of the Enrich Your Vocabulary with Khuram Janjua. Hope you have enjoyed the series, and I have got a lot of messages in my inbox and in which students are liking this series a lot and they are enhancing their vocabulary. So let's start the third episode, and today's word is alleviate. Alleviate is a verb and it means to make less burdensome, यानी शिद्दत में कमी आना. और synonyms are mitigate and palliate, and the antonyms are worsen and exacerbate. The next word is allocate. Allocate is a verb and it means assign or devote to person or purpose. And synonyms are assign and allot. And the antonyms are retain and withhold. Okay, go for the next word. And the next word is ameliorate. Ameliorate mean to improve or become better. किसी चीज़ को बेहतर बनाना. Synonyms are pacify, amend. And the antonyms are worsen and corrupt. Go for the next word is annihilate. Annihilate mean to destroy largely or completely. It means utter destructions, and the synonyms are slaughter and eradicate. And the antonyms are protect and augment. Go for the next word is annotate. Annotate means to provide explanatory notes. And the synonyms are explicate and elucidate. And go for the antonyms distract and make ambiguous. Hope you have enjoyed the word series and you are enhancing your vocabulary, and do convert these words into your sentences, as I have got a lot of students who have sent me the sentences and I am checking their sentences. They are taking a lot of interest, and my purpose is to enrich your vocabulary. So take a great care of yourself. I'll see you tomorrow with the next episode. All the best.